Hey guys, we are here at the Bridgeport Model by Westbay Homes today. We're going to explore this model. I am in Crosswind Point in Parrish, Florida, but this will be the same model anywhere in Florida. So let's get this tour going. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1,534 square feet, block construction. Beautiful upgrades. Comes in a total of, I believe, 3 different packages. The modern farmhouse, tranquil, transitional, and coastal white. So let's go take a tour, guys. Go guys, paver driveway, paver walkway all the way around. Now your entrance and your covered porch is kind of over on the sides of the house, which gives it kind of a more extensive feel to the layout. And come all the way back over here. It's more private because you're not right next to your next door neighbor when you're walking in and out of the house, like in some townhouses, for instance. That's what separates a villa from a townhouse. A townhouse is more narrow, more close to the neighbors. It usually has a second floor, where your villas are first floor, and they kind of have more of their own yard on one side of the unit. Here's your master, guys. Check out this flooring package here. I believe this is modern farmhouse, but it might be. Actually, no, this is coastal white. Coastal white. Upgrade shower. Big shower. No lip. This is not a 55 plus community, but it suits elderly situations. Not all lots are going to be on the water that are available. Depends on when you in this community right here, you have a 6% flex cash, and they're ranging right around 382 to the low 400s, depending on the lot and the package. Nice lanai. Yeah, it's a wider layout. It's just not one little narrow, so it's a good use of space, I would say. Nice kitchen. Quartz. Sink. Gas community here, guys. This comes with a gas stove. Backsplash is obviously an upgrade. Nice fridge. And over here you have a little coffee bar. It's nice. Pantry, big pantry. Nicely set up, guys. It's a good layout. It's got a big kitchen, nice kitchen. It's got a split floor plan, open concept. High ceilings, very high ceilings. Vaulted ceilings, bedrooms. You know, just opens everything up. Very high ceilings. Laundry room's separate, so the garage door is right there. And then your AC closet, your, communications panel. Everything is in here. This is your third bedroom. Or office, but it has a closet. So yeah, guys, this is the Bridgeport Villa by Westbay Homes. 1,534 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 car garage. And my name is Robert Lunt. I serve all of Florida with new construction needs, the whole state. And by using me as your real estate agent, I give you an extra $2,000 rebate. And I also, look over all of your paperwork and just ensure everything with the walkthroughs is going good and you don't miss anything. It gives you that extra set of eyes, and if there's any issues with the lender or, underwriting, I can assist with, maybe getting some documentation together and helping you with that process, or figuring out solutions when there's certain issues involved. For each real estate transaction is unique. So give me a call, guys, 941-879-4730. My name is Robert Lunt, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Realty One Group, Skyline. Please check out my channel if you want other community tours and want to browse through other models as well, guys. It's loaded with information, especially for the Parrish, Florida area, but I serve the whole state, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you enjoy.